Good morning. Look, you can see where DAX and why DAX stopped where it did. You've got this Fibonacci coming in at 124.34, okay, and you've also got a weekly level at 124.48, which is this line here, okay. So you can see why we stopped. Oh, excuse me. You were above the trend line for 2 days and really didn't like it up there, and down we came. But the thing that is the key point I want to get across, it's the same as all the stock markets. This is a bull market correction only. We have corrected 32%, 38.2% of the whole 2016 bull move. Now, the weekly charts are turning bullish. I'll show you that in a bit. But the daily charts are overcooked. It's come up from 17.06, I think, was the low. We'll just check that because I don't really keep an eye on the DAX that much. 17.03. All right. What 11.703 was the low here. Now, you've come up quite a way from these lows, you know, not taking any notice of these overnight moves we've had, because we don't take any notice of those ones. So it's reached a key level, okay. I think it's going to come down and dip around this point here. That's coming in at 12.158 and at 12.190. That also intersects with this 21-day moving average. So if we can do that and not take out this low, which is at 112.120, so if we can hold around this area here, you're going to have an inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is going to push us up to around the 132 area. So let's go across and have a look at the weekly chart. Now the weekly chart, where you double top, hit the target, has also got this head and shoulder topping thing. So you're in a real catch-22 conundrum at the moment. You've got this descending wedge pattern, which is bullish. You've got this hold of the extremely important support level, which is bullish. So you've got this toing and froing. So, you know, you can see that these weekly indicators have just come off their backside and they're just beginning to turn. I mean, we've been overbought on these weekly charts for ages, but look at what we've done in the last few weeks. We've flatlined across this quite important 20% level. And this has just been going up and down, doesn't know which way to go. If we can move and hold above 12.448, especially tomorrow on a weekly basis, it is going to push this up. It really is. The only problem, as I said, is this great big, could be head and shoulder pattern that is extremely bearish. But you're talking then the DAX down below parity. Okay, so let's not get carried away. Let's think that these are going to overcome the daily charts and push us higher. Now, obviously, you know, you've got the double bottom here. Obviously, if we can't get above this key resistance level, and we can't do it quite quickly, the market's going to look at the weekly charts, take it as a bearish sign, and down we come again. If we do come down towards this support, it will take it out. Doubles hold, triples very rarely do hold. Just bear that in mind. They very, very rarely do hold. So let's say we break up above this 12.434, 12.448. Where can we go to? You've got this level here, which comes in at 12585. You've got this level here that comes in at 12603, and obviously you've got the 50% fib level coming in at 12657. All right, so there's all sorts of good resistances if we get this close above these key levels. If we don't, then we look again next week and try and decide what this market is going to do. Okay, I'll catch you later.